Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, a lot of people understand the importance of a well-diversified investment portfolio, but income diversification could be even more essential to our retirement plan. So how so?
Sure. Well, we may be going into a rising tax environment, and most people have saved the majority of their money in places where it's taxable when it comes out. And you can't control where those tax rates are going, so you're in less control to know how much net income you're going to have. Typically in retirement, income comes from three different sources: Social Security, pensions, and then the money that you've saved. All three of those are under pressure. Social Security may have to make changes to keep up with benefits by 2035, according to a current calculation. Pensions have been eliminated for nearly 90% of private employers. And then you've got stock market volatility and longevity risk on your side for the tools that you've saved. So there are some big challenges out there.
Yeah, and you can really see why income is so different in retirement versus during your working years where you had one job, one paycheck. Now we've got to think about all these different income sources.
That's right, and you may want to ladder those. So that's why we've put together this retirement kit to cover those different things. Whether you're nearing retirement, just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help you do that.
Right, and so if you have questions about income, taxes, investments, healthcare, there are so many resources available in the Retirement Roadmap Kit. You can call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit today. Calvin and the team will get that right out to you. Calvin, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report. Be sure to tune in again next week for more insights from Calvin. We'll see you then.